And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us their ZD60 dash cam. This is a 2K dash cam that's actually 3 cameras. So there's a camera facing out, which is the 2K camera. Then there's a rear facing 1080p camera and a interior facing 1080p camera. Has a G sensor, loop recording, audio recording, SD card support up to 128 gigabytes, 3 lenses, parking monitor, and WDR. A little about the company there. The brand and the model number, the AQV ZD60. Just the sticker for the dash cam here. Nothing there. Let's slide it out of this box. Just a white box now. Let's see what we have. We have, oh, look at that. Very nice packaging from them. Nice, nice. Dang, much nicer than I anticipated. Like, I thought it'd be a nice dash cam, but geez. Wow, very, very cool. Wow. So it looks like it does include a little memory card, which this is just a 32 gigabyte memory card. So you could upgrade that up to 128 gigs if you would like. Now it looks like your power here is USB-C. That is your connector for the rear camera. As you can see, your front facing and interior facing cameras are all in this. Very, very nice. So, wow, you could face both of them out front or back. Oh, okay. What else we got? We got cardboard, all the fun stuff. So this looks like that is the USB-C cable. So this would power this device for you. It would plug in here on the side like so. And then this would plug into your cigarette lighter, leaving you a USB-A port to plug something else in if you need. Then we've got some other goodies. This looks like the rear camera. So yes, that would be the rear camera, a little sticky tape, and then a nice long cable here to tie back to the front. And this plug would plug in right next to the SD card to plug in your rear camera. Very nice. All right. Then we've got, looks like a mount. So this would be a mount to slide right into here so that you could mount this on your window, however you may want to mount it. Then another included USB-C cable. Okay. And these look like some double-sided tape for the wiring, as well as a way to use this tool to stick the wire like underneath the plastic in your car. And lastly, that's it for that box, a complete guide. I mean, this thing has everything in it that you'd need to know. It'll tell you how to install it. It'll tell you everything it does. Cannot beat that. It comes in all the languages you will need. Very cool. So really, I think this is about it for this unboxing of the ZD60 2K dash cam from AQV. Very, very nice product. Love that you can like actually play back the video and stuff on the device. Just very, very nice dash cam at the end of the day. And it would get everything. What's in front of you, what's behind you, and what's going on inside the car. That way you're able to prove that, you know, you were paying attention and the other person was not. So thanks again to AVQ for this 2K dash cam. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.